Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the binary number system. What is the binary number system that we will discuss? So first is the decimal number system, which is also known as the base 10 system. Means the decimal number system, which is also known as the base 10 system. Why we are saying the base 10 system? Because in this system we have the 10 digits is there. The digit which we use in counting, digit क्या है 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So overall these are the 10 digits are there. So that's why this is known as a base 10 system. And decimal number, like the number is given like 8375. So at the base 10 we will write this is 5, that is 5 into 10 raised to power 0, plus this is at the place of the 10, so that will be 10 into 7 into 10 raised to power 1. Similarly 3 into 10 raised to power 2. At the base we are going to write it to 10, and 8 into 10 raised to power 3 is there. Similarly, if the number is given in this decimal form like 7 into 8, so this is at the place of the unit, the 10th place is there, this is the 100th place is there. So these three digits we will write as usual, 3 into 10 raised to power 0 plus 2 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 2. But for this is the 10th digit number, we will write 10 into 10 raised to power minus 2 plus 8 into 10 raised to power, this is your minus 1 is there only, because this is actually, this is can be written as like 7 over 10 plus 8 over 100. So here is the, will be the 7 over 100, this is 10, so this is 2, and plus 8 into 10 raised to power minus 1 is there. But in case of the computer can only understand only the on and off state of switch circuits. Computer only understand the on and off state of switch circuit is there only. For this switch circuit, for on and off, we use the two states are there, which are represented by 1. 1 we use for the on, and 0 we will use for the off is there only, respectively. A string of digits where each digit is either this one, form a binary number. So in binary number, what you will see, then either the number, the binary number will have either 1 or the 0 is there only. जो भी whatever the binary number will be given, उसमें either 1 will be there or 0, not other than that is there. Like this is the binary number you can say. So 1 or 0 form a binary number in the binary number system. And this binary number system is also called a base 2 system. Why we are saying the base 2 system? Because only two digits we are using, 0 and 1. So that's why this is the base 2 system. देखिए base 10 में कितना था? How many digits were there? Only 10 digits. So that's why we are saying the 10 base 10 system. Here the only two digits are there. So that's why we are saying this is the base 2 system. Have a look. Yes. Now we will discuss then how can you convert the decimal number in a binary numbers is there. So first of all, the binary we use the 0 and 1 is there, so that is the base 2, because two digits are here, that's why base is 2. In case you want to octal में क्या होता है 0 to 7, so number of digits are here is 8, so that's why base is 8. In decimal is already you know that is the base 10, and in hexadecimal में the base is 16, because 0 to 15 we will count, just 5, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So total number of digits are 16 are there only. So that's why base is 16. Here the base is 8, because 8 digits, 2 base is 2 is there. Now question is there, then how can you change the decimal number into a binary number? See, in binary number system, first of all it consists of only two digits, two numbers, 0 and 1. 0 and 1, and these 0, 1 and 1, these are known as a bit. Each digit is called as bit, and this is used in digital electronics is there only the use, because this is already we discussed. 1 we use for the on, and 0 for off in computer only, that the computer can in switch circuit we were discussing. So now अगर 53 दिया है, तो how can you change into the binaries there? So what we will do, because binary means base is 2, so you are supposed to divide it by 2. What we will do, इसको 53 को 2 से divide करिए, that 2 to the 4, 2 6 are. So your remainder is 1, so you must write on here. Remainder को आप यहाँ लिखते जाइए. Then again it is divide by 2, that 30, remainder is 0. Then again divide by 2, 6, remainder is 1. 2 6 that 1, that 1, 2, 3, remainder is 0, then by 2, 1, 2 1 is 2, and remainder is 1 is here, this one. So we will continue this process till here is the 1 is comes. अब इसको क्या read out करना है? Read up. Means you will go bottom to top. Bottom से top की तरफ जाइए. Top. So this digit is also included here. This one. So this 1, then this 1, then 0, 1, 0, 1. And this is your binary number of 53. So 53 is the binary number, is a decimal number which can be written in the binary form is 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. What we will do? We have to divide by 2 because base is 2. Binary में base 2 होता है. If you want to change it to the octal, then you have to divide by 8 is there. That is also we will discuss. So by 2 we will divide, the remainder you must write down here and continue this one till the 1 comes here or the 0. You have to write this number is there. So you can check your answer also. So your answer is 110101. This is, and because the base is 2, so this is the way of the writing is you must write on the 2 is here, base 2 is there. If the base is octal, this one, then you have to write 8. Hexa, then you have to write the 16. In case of the octal, we will divide by 8. This same number we will discuss in the next screen only. Have a look. Okay, now one more question we are taking. Then how can you convert this 357 to binaries there? So two different methods we will discuss. First one is as usual, because we want to change into the binary. So binary base कितना होता है 2. So you have to divide it by 2 is there. अगर you want to change into the octal, then we have to divide by 8 is there. That is also we will discuss. 2 से divide करेंगे, 2 1 जा, 2 7 जा, 2 8. Your remainder is 1. 2 से again 8, 19, remainder 0. 2 44, remainder 1. 22, remainder 0. 2 11, remainder 0. 2 5 to 10, 1. And we will continue this one is there only. So you are getting this one. Now you have to write then bottom to remainder. Means from with this number we will count here only. We will start from this number, last one, then 1, then 0, then 1, then 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is. So this is your binary number is there only. This is one of the method. You have to divide and just write down the remainder and you will start from bottom to top. Second method क्या है? Just write down the 2 raised to 1, 2, 1, 2 raised to 2, 3, likewise here only. Up to this number, 256, why we are adding? Because your number is 357. Agar if you are taking 2 raised to power 9 is here, it will twice of this one will come. That is more than this one. So you are not supposed to take this one. आपको इस number से smaller तक लेना है. Double should not be this one. अब now what we will do? We are supposed to take select the number is there whose sum must come equal to this number. Must come equal to. So we will start from the left side is here. Like 256 is here. So in 256, this one, 256, look at here. 256 is here. And if you are going to add this number, we are supposed to add. हमें क्या करना? Add करना. 256 में if you are going to this 128 is here. So 128 you are adding, then you will get what? 8, 3. That is, this number is more than this one. It means this number cannot be added. The number which cannot be added, you are supposed to give the 0 of that. The number which can be added, you have to give 1. So this cannot be added. It means this number cannot be added. So you are not supposed to take this one. Now which we can add? We can add the 64 because 64 you are going to add is here. Then you will get 0 and this is 2 and this is 3. 320 you are getting is here. So you can add 64 is here. So you have to give 1 is here. Now you must try to add this 32. So in 32 you must add. So that is 352. So this number can be added. So you have to give this one. Now 16 you are going to add in this one. If you are going to add the 16 like 352, what will come? It will come 367, which is more than this one. It means this number cannot be added. So you have to give the 0. If you are going to add is 8 is here. Suppose you are going to add 352. You are going to add 8 this number. So you will get 360, which is more than this one is there. It means this number will not be added. So you must give the 0. हमें क्या करना है? उन्हीं नंबर को 1 देना है, which we can be add is here only. 4 you can add in this one. So you will get 356. So you are supposed to give this one. If you are going to add 2, it will be 358, which is 357. So it means this number cannot be added. This is your 0. Now plus 1 you will do, you will get the number 357. So you have to give this one. So finally, what you are getting, just see now, you can write this number. So your binary number will be 1011000101 at the base 2. So this is, you can write now. So this is your second method and this is your answer is there. तो हमें क्या करना है, उन्हीं नंबर को सेलेक्ट करना है जिनको ऐड करने पर it should not be more than this one only. And this number, इसके next number we will not write whose double of this is more than this one. इससे छोटे तक ही we have to write the, we will start from the 2 up to this one here only. Then the number which we are going to add them, we are give to 1. We are not going to add, which cannot be add, we will give the zeros here only. So this is your second method. Have a look. Yes, now we can change the binary number into the decimal. How can you change? It's very simple. देखिए base 2 है, इस नंबर के लिए पहले लिखिए 1 into 2 raised to power 0. You must start from the right side is here. Then for this 0, 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus for this 0, 0 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 4 plus for this 0 into 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 6 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 7. You must start with the 0 is there, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many digits are here only? See now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is here only, and this number will come as it is at 2 raised to power because at the base 2 is there only. So 1 into 2 raised to power 0, 0 into 2 raised to power 1, and solve this one only, you will get the number. See now. So this is 1 into 2 raised to power 1 is 1. This is your 0 plus 0 plus this is your 8 plus 0. This is 0 plus this is 2 to the 4, 8, 2 into 2, 6 times you can do that into this one. So 2 to the 4 to the 8, 16, 32, 64 and plus 128. And you are supposed to add these numbers. So you will add this one is there only. So this is your 1 and 8, 9, 9, 10, 13, 13 and 8 is 21, 2 and this is your 2, 4 and 6, 10, carry 1. So this is 201 and your decimal number is 201. You can check your answer also. You can add them only. So this is 1 plus 8 is 9, 10, 13, 13 and 8, 21, 2. So this is 8, 9, 10, 0, carry 1. Have a look. And this is your decimal number. Yes. Now, how can you convert the decimal to the octal only? So octal means the base will be 8. In case of the octal, we discuss the base is 8. That is, and this is your decimal number which base is 10 is there. We want to change into the octal form only. So what same method is there? 357. To change into the binary में change करने के लिए what we were doing? We were dividing by 2. Octal में करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? We have to divide by base 8. So by 8 you have to divide this one. So 32. 44. So your remainder is 5. Now again you have to divide by 8, 40, 5. So your remainder is 4. Now this 5 is not divisible by this one only. So same method is there. Now you have to write the bottom to top. You must go bottom to top. Bottom to top. So your octal will be equal to this number 5, 4, 5. And this is your octal form. This is number. This number was used to be a 357 at the base 10. So this is changed into this octal form is the 5, 4, 5. You have to divide by 8 only. Divide by 8 and remainder you must write down and same method is there. Last term from bottom to top we will go. So this is the octal form is there only here. Have a look. Okay, just once again you can see you have to divide by 8 is here only to change into the octal. Then divide by 8 and the remainder you must write down here only. Then divide by 8, then remainder you must write down here. Then bottom to top you must write down. So this is your octal form is there. See, one important point is here. If the base is greater to this one, then this number will come greater than to this one. अगर base बड़ा है तो ये number बड़ा आएगा, ये base छोटा है. अगर base ये छोटा होगा तो ये छोटा नंबर आएगा. तो यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल. अगर ये नंबर लेस देन है इससे तो यू विल गेट द बिगर नंबर. इफ दिस बेस इज मोर देन दिस वन यू विल गेट द स्मॉलर नंबर इज हियर ओनली. हैव अ लुक. Yes, so here we were discussing then how can you change the decimal number into the octal. By this is divided by 8, so you are getting this in octal form is there. Now question is, if the octal form is given there only, then how can you find out the decimal form? So same method is there as we were doing in the binary. This 5 into base 8, 8 raised to power 0 plus 4 into 8 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 8 raised to power 2. And you must solve this one only, you will get this number. Just see, 8 raised to power 0 means 1, 1 into 5 is 5, 8 into 4, 32, this is your 320. So you must add, this is 357 base 10. This is your decimal form and this is your octal form is there. Suppose if the number is given in binary, then you want to change into the octal form is there. So another method is there to change. What we will do, you are supposed to make the pair. ये this is your binary form. आप इसमें triplet बनाइए. You are supposed to make a triplet. Just make a triplet is here only. और for every triplet, because you are making the थ्री का पेयर बना रहे हैं, तो 3 का पेयर बनाने पर 3 and 3 is here only. तो इस 1 के लिए you have to write 2 raised to power 0, then for 2 raised to power 1 and 2 raised to power 3. 3 numbers हमको लिखना है. 1 को we will consider, 0 we will not consider. So here is 2 raised to power 0 is 1, 2 raised to power 1 is 2 and this 2 raised to power 4 is this here only. अब देखिए इस नंबर के लिए लीजिए. 1 के लिए we will consider, 0 के लिए we will not consider. तो for 101 you will do. तो for 1 this is for this number. For this number you will take 1 plus. For this is 0, so we will not consider is here. 0 will remain. And for this one we will consider 4. So this is your become a 5. Now similarly for this number you will take 100. 0 के लिए नहीं लेना है. 0 के लिए नहीं. And this one because at third place पर है तो क्या 4 is here. This one. So this is you are getting 4. In similarly 101. 1 के लिए लेंगे 1. 0 के लिए नहीं लेना है. This 0. And this one for this third number is 4. So this is your 5. See now, इनको लिखेंगे तो what you are getting the number 5, 4, 5 base 8. So likewise is also you can convert the binary into the octal is there only by using this method. Or suppose octal is there, you can change into the decimal is also there only. Have a look. Okay, now we will discuss then how can you change the decimal into a hexa is there only. In the hexa form is there. So you have to, because in case of the hexa is the basis you know that 16. So you have to divide by 16 as usual. Divide by 16, remainder you must write down here. Divide by 16, you must write down remainder is here. Then here is 1, cannot be revealed. So you have to write bottom to top again. So 165. This is your, in the hexa form is there. See, this base is more than this one only, so this number will be the smaller. अगर base ज़्यादा होता है तो ये number इससे छोटा आएगा. अगर base छोटा है तो ये number इससे बड़ा आता है. That is, you know, if this hexa form is given, then you can change it to the decimal is there. Same method is there. 165. तो you have to write 5 into 16 raised to power 0. क्योंकि जिस फॉर्म में हमें लिखना है उसके अकॉर्डिंग we have to take the bases there. तो 5 into 16 raised to power 0 plus 6 into 16 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 16 raised to power 2. This is your 5, 16 6 are 96 and this is 256. You will add, you will get 357 base 10. This is your decimal form is there. Suppose the binary form is given there only and you want to change it to the hexa. See how can you? In case of this one, you are supposed to make a group. In a group, there should be the 4 digits you have to take. 4 digits, 4 bits you can take. You can say. So here is your actual number is this one 1011000101. You have to make the group is there of 4 digits. 4 is here, then 4 is here. This one remain as usual, 1 only. So you have to make it 4. You have to write down the from your side is 4, 3 zeros. इसको ग्रुप बनाने के लिए आप 3 zeros यहाँ पर ऐड कर देंगे. Now for this number for this and this one you have to write same method is there only. 4 digit है तो 4 तक लिखेंगे. 0 के लिए we will not consider, 1 के लिए we will consider. For 0 this one 8 will not be considered. For this one 4 will not be considered. 2 will not be, only 1 is considered. For 2 raised to 0 is 1 is here, so this is 1. Now 0 1 1 0, this one we will not consider. This one for 1 4, for this one 2 0 1 not considered, so 0 will be here. Sum of this is 6. Similarly 0 1 0 1, so we will not consider for this one 0. For this one we will consider, so this 4 will come here. Plus for 0 not consider, for this one we will consider, add is 5, and you can write down 1 6 5, and this is your hexadecimal form is there only. So you can write down. So if the any decimal form is given, you can write down in the hexa, you can write down in the octal, you can write in the binary. Binary can also be written in the decimal form is there or any other form. Have a look.